Hello cruisers, this is Rick Way, the Texas Cruiser. Royal Caribbean, they keep trying to find more places for private facilities for their passengers, the cruisers, along with celebrity. They're wanting to put in more effort into the Bahamas market. As a matter of fact, they're looking pretty closely at the Grand Bahamas. Some of the stuff has not been announced yet, but this is information from behind the scenes. They have been mainly focused on the Perfect Day Coco Cay. They just recently upgraded that with $250 million transformation, and they did that in 2019. As well as that Paradise Island Beach over there where they dock for the Bahamas. As you see, a lot of the pictures and all that progress of that's coming right along. That's going to be ready before you know it. But they're trying to provide more places for people to go, for Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, and Silver Seas too. Instead of doing what MSC is doing, which they went and got another island for another island destination, private island destination. They're kind of going along with Carnival to spend their effort over there on Grand Bahamas. Of course, everybody knows that new destination on Grand Bahama is called Celebration Key. Carnival's spent a lot of money on that facility, that place, that location, like $600 million worth of investment. So it's going to be phenomenal. They come pretty far along. They're getting closer and closer, getting that thing open for happy cruisers. Anyway, Royal Caribbean, they're looking at it's kind of a weird, it's a place called Xanadu. Let me put it that way. It was an iconic beachfront hotel. It's about like 40 acres around it. And this goes way back, to the Rat Pack days, of Sammy Davis Jr., Dean Martin, all them guys. They used to hang out there quite a bit back in those days. And Royal Caribbean got permission from the Bahamas to purchase the 40 acres in that iconic hotel and spend a lot of money on it, re-jazzing it up and fixing it up for today's standards. And they're possibly, I'm hearing it could be a destination for the Celebrity line. Yeah, that would be the first exclusive facility for Celebrity line. That'd be kind of neat. Royal Caribbean is looking to put some big bucks into this, like everything else they do. One other thing that they're wanting to put their effort into, it's an interesting idea. Royal Caribbean, Carnival, and now the MSC wants to come in and join with them on it about the shipyard, the Grand Bahama shipyard. Work on it to make it to where they can support and do maintenance and upgrade work and all that on cruise ships. They used to have a dry dock that they used to work on cruise ships there. I know Royal Caribbean used it quite a few times in the past. Unfortunately, a Royal Caribbean ship broke that dry dock. So they quit doing that there. The big part of the dry dock was still in one piece. It was sold to a facility here in Galveston, and that's they rebuilt the dry dock, fixed it up, and that's the dry dock they used to take the USS Battleship Texas out of the water and did all the work on her while I was there. Also, the dry dock was featured on several of those upper end cruise ships that came in here. Explorer grade ships, did work on them, got them out of the water and did work on the Azapod, stuff like that. So that was a good purchase by the shipyard here in Galveston. But now they're talking about getting that shipyard back up to speed to where they can get back over there and start bringing the cruise ships into Bahamas. So I take them over to Spain and all that across the Atlantic and stay over this way. I think that'll be a good thing for the cruise lines. So anyway, folks, more destinations coming. Royal Caribbean, Carnival, and MSC spending money. Oh, NCL's doing a lot of work too on their facilities, their destination islands and stuff like that. So they're also looking into the western Gulf of Mexico for places to, put in destinations. Perfect Day Mexico, the Royal Caribbean Cozumel Beach Club. Carnival's got some facilities that they're been doing work on down in Roatan area, or Belize. NCL's got a dock down there. I think MSC be announcing something here pretty quick down that way too. So it's more options for us cruisers. So anyway, I hope you guys get a chance to book a cruise. I'm booking 2 right now, so I'm excited about that. and there's some good deals out there. If you look around and do it right, you can cruise at a decent rate. So you gotta do your homework. Once again, this is Rick Wade, the Texas Cruiser. Be sure to hit that like button, and I hope to catch you on a future cruise. Bye.